This is the FARMERTEC kind of clone chain grinder. It's got that little light there, that's how it turns on. So, I don't know if many of you guys have ground chain very often, but there's kind of some golden numbers that you want to follow. This adjustment down here gets you your fore and aft. So this is really important. So this would be 0, and you could turn this, so you got to turn this. I do 25 degrees, and then you want to get this angle too. This is kind of the secret to chain grinding, is that angle right there. Because if it's just flat, like your cheap Harbor Freight grinders and stuff just give you flat, you're missing kind of the last crucial angle, more or less. So you want to, when you're cutting chain that way, you pull it towards you. If you were to go to the opposite side, you push it away, lock her down. And actually what I did to this thing is I went through and I greased up kind of all the adjustment knobs, and so it's a lot less clunky now. So yeah, we're going to be doing this cutter here. You want to adjust your stop so it's in the middle of your cutter. You also want to make sure that you're taking some material off, So I'm going to turn that in just a little bit more. Just like so. Just like so. Then loose. If this was good, like on a good organ grinder, like I had at the small engine repair shop that I work at, this should automatically fall down and kind of be like spring tensioned to always catch. So as you're wheeling through, it kind of bumps over that one, and it would come back down, bump over, and boom, come back down. But this one's just a wee bit loose, so let me come back to this where we don't miss a cutter. All right, so you get to your next one, and then you lock that sucker down so it's in there tight. Sorry, it's in there tight, it's not going anywhere. And then this is gonna take quite a bit off here, but just like so. See, I got a little bit of discoloration and a burr on that cutter, but that'll come straight off when you get the first cut. So I'm gonna go through and do a handful of teeth. Here's another adjustment that you gotta watch out for. I'm doing 65 degrees. You can you are able turn this knob in the back, you're able to alter that angle. I'm just going off of what I remember our chain grinder set at the shop I work at. I'm pretty sure that was 65. This is 25, and then this is 10 degrees from 90. So just like that. Let me see here. I'll show you guys kind of how it goes. Now, since we're back to the top, I'm gonna loosen this doohickey. Turn this to the opposite 25. Tighten it back down after. I pull it up to 10. All right, we are tight. Just like so. As you can see here, because the chain stop on this machine is not spring loaded like it should be, it's a lot harder to be kind of fluid and fast at grinding on this machine, but you get used to it eventually and kind of figure out your flow, and you can really bust chains out if you want. This chain was already relatively sharp, so I'm hardly doing anything, but you guys get the idea. So I've got a good buddy who has a Sylvie and a Symington. Lucky bastard. But maybe I'll take you guys over to his place and we'll grind some chain, and then we can do some cut tests. Hand file, Holtz Forma chain grinder, and then Sylvie and Symington maybe. I think that'll be really cool. So yeah, that's kind of the intro to this FARMERTEC chain grinder. I just put this the stand on it. It's nice. It wheels around, and nice little stand. So yeah, not a bad chain grinder for the cost. Oh, and I'll show you guys how to dress your sharpening stone here. 1 second. When it comes to dressing your stone, it comes with this little stone. You're gonna turn on your grinder, and I always kind of square it up. And you just want to take kind of the gunk off of it, really. But this is also where you can add your own little touch to your stone. Some guys go ahead and dress their stone a little bit more square, like so. Some guys will round it. It's really up to you on what you do. I like it a little bit more square. Just like so. So yeah, that's what my stone looks like. So yeah. Yeah, like I said, hopefully I'll get to show you guys some other chain grinders here soon, and then we'll do some cut tests. So thank you.